This is the third office of Wirelessy that we've opened today. This morning we were in Rakiraki, where we opened the office at in Ra, opposite the new Rakiraki market, soon to be opened. And then we were in Ba, at the Ba bus stand, where we opened an office there. This, of course, is the largest office that we've opened in the West. Lautoka office for Wirelessy will be what we call the feeder office for all the Western Division offices of Wirelessy. Those of you out on the street who are standing there, if you do not know, Wirelessy, of course, is the platform that's funded entirely by the Fijian government that we launched a few years ago, that gives you the opportunity to access free-to-air television. So the way that you do that is you need the set-top box, which you can get from here for free. If you earn less than $30,000 a year, you fill out the form, you collect the box from here, you go home, connect it to your television, and you can watch all these 8 channels same time, if you have this. But then, of course, you can change the channels. It's all free for you. If you earn more than $30,000 a year, you can buy a set-top box that costs about $80. You can buy it from Courts and various other department stores, outlets, or you can buy it from here even. Wirelessy, of course, gives us the opportunity to, can I have a phone please? Gives us the opportunity to you to be able to watch your television on your phone. It's what you call OTT. So all you need to do is download the app, and this is the Wirelessy app. You download that on the app. So if you, for example, are working and you're going home, but you're interested in watching a game, a rugby match, or what Fiji may be playing, or you want to watch the news, you want to watch your favorite program, you can watch it on your phone. All you simply need to do is download the app, and then you'll be able to watch the TV program that you want to watch. And, again, you just need to have data on your phone. We already have 400,000 Fijians that have downloaded this app. Sometimes people download the app because they want to watch, Fiji's playing in some leg of the 7 series. They watch a favorite program. People want to watch news. They want to watch a religious program. As you know, you have one of the channels. Channel 8 is one of the religious programs. Whichever channel they want to watch. So we have what we call the OTT, and you can do that too. Of course, we want everybody to be connected. We have 150,000 set-top boxes that have already been distributed throughout Fiji. It gives people the opportunity to watch news both on their phone and, of course, at home, and any other program that they do want to watch. It's very, very simple. If you already have one, that's great. But tell others to come and get it, because we actually give it to you for free if you earn less than $30,000 a year. And the reason why we're doing that is not just simply for the sake of giving something for free. We want people to be informed. You have the parliamentary channel. You can see there's one screen here. There'll be other, maybe a couple of channels that'll come on. We'll have educational programs. We'll have agricultural programs that anybody can watch, depending on what their interests are. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. I mean, we ask everybody, of course, to thank. We have Robert Khan, who's the chair of Wirelessy board, and we've got Anil, who's also here, Anil Patel, who's also on the board, and a couple other board members who could not be here. But the team also from Wirelessy, the staff, the technical people. We already have 17 sites throughout Fiji. One of the things we have done through Wirelessy is that we also have satellite connectivity. So if people are living in a remote island where they aren't able to access the tower, as you know that the towers speak to each other, that's how you get connected. But if they can't, then we connect them through the satellite. So in this way, we're able to have the 100% throughout Fiji, both through satellite and terrestrial means. So thank you very much, and I wish you Vinaka. Thank you. Thank you.